Hello, my awesome Audubon Roadrunners. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to log into our Google Classroom. Now, remember, all of our activities are going to be on Seesaw, but what I will be doing is I will be posting our Zoom lessons on Google Classroom. So if you are not able to attend a live session or had to take a break or wanted to go back just to review what we had taught, it'll be posted in the Google Classroom. So again, Miss Kate has been nice enough to let me use her account. So you're going to log on to Clever. Again, that's clever.com/in/SDUSD. And if you logged in using your Chromebook, it will auto populate to this page. Now, usually when we log into Clever, we go straight to Seesaw. But if you did want to go into the Google Classroom, you will click on Google Classroom. And then this will take you right to our classroom. This is actually my Google Classroom page, so you won't have this group in here, but you will have Miss Heffernan's K class, which you will click on. And then I have not posted anything in this page yet, but I will only be using this page, excuse me, to post Zoom links. So again, this is not something that I will be posting any work or announcements in, only for Zoom links. And if you are not using a Chromebook, if you are using a different device, maybe your own laptop or your own tablet, and you want to join our Google Classroom, our class code is right here that you can use to log in. So you will go onto google.com. Up in the right corner where there's those dots, you will click on it. You will click on Classroom, and then you'll enter this code and you will join our Google class. So this is Q3IJWFO. And remember, this is only if you are not using the Chromebook you picked up from school. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out. Let me know. I hope this resource will just help if something is not super clear or if it's a little confusing, since this is the first time we've been using this platform. Again, contact me with any questions. I am always here for you guys.